friends. Today we will talk some more about perspective. Last time I have told you a story about how perspective changes, and today we will talk some more. Perspective is the way we look at things, and ultimately we want to look at things in a good way, in a way that makes us happy, that gives us satisfaction. Let us take an example of how different people look at things differently. Supposing it's raining heavily and the farmer will feel very happy that the rains will help him with a bumper crop. That same heavy rain makes the school-going children happy because they expect a rainy day holiday. Young people are happy because they could go for a long drive in the rains. However, there are some people who live in low-lying areas and they are depressed because the water would collect outside their houses. And there are some who have a leak in the ceiling and they're afraid that the house will get spoiled again. So it's the same thing, but people look at it in a different way. And besides this, we also look at things from our own point of view. Now, our point of view is decided by several factors. Primarily, it is our experience of life, our situation in life, our educational background, our secure feeling in life. All these factors are responsible for the way we look at things. Most people look at things on face value, but for the decision, it is always the way they have been that makes them accept it or feel bad about it. Now, how can we change our perspective is what we want to discuss today. Ultimately, friends, we are living this life to like things, to be able to be happy with things around us, with situations around us, with people around us. To get happiness and satisfaction, we have to like what we are facing. Now, most of the time, the tendency is that we look for the things which are not good. I don't know why it is that way, but most of the time, most of the people, when they are in a situation, only look for the things which are not acceptable to them. You have read and heard about the teacher who gave a plain white paper with one black dot to all his students and asked them what they could see. And 99% of the students said, "We can see a black dot." Whereas 1% said, "Oh, I see lots of opportunities. I see a canvas where so much can be done." Now, the same way, friends, we should also look at the opportunities. We should not look at the things which are negative, which are minus in all situations and people. This is the way we look at things, and this is what I mean by perspective. Try to look at things in a good way, in a way where it makes you satisfied and happy. I will give you an example of some people sitting in a drawing room, and on the center table there is a beautiful vase. However, the beautiful design on the vase is only on one side. Now, the person sitting opposite that beautiful side will look at the vase and feel happy about it and like it, admire it. But the others who are sitting on the other side will look at the same vase and feel, "Oh, it's some ordinary thing. It is not special." However, if those people who are sitting on the other side get up and take the effort of moving to another angle, to another position, and look at the same thing, they will be able to see the beauty of that vase. However, to do this, the person has to change his position. change his viewpoint, and for that you need a bit of effort. However, many times this is good because then you like something. Instead of disliking, you start liking things. And ultimately, friends, we spend our whole life liking and disliking. But we also know that when we like things, we are happy. Whereas if we keep disliking things, we don't get that happiness. And ultimately, we want happiness for our own self. Other people will not be concerned whether you're liking something or not liking something, or you're happy or not happy. So if we want to be happy, we have to make that effort of getting up from a position and turning, taking a few steps, making that effort, and looking at situations, at people, at happenings, at things like a vase from another angle. And when you do this, friends, the moment you try to look at things from another angle, your outlook will change, your perspective will change, and there is a chance that you will start liking the same thing. And when you will like it, you will be happy, and that is what we all desire. So I hope I have made my point clear. We will talk more next time. Thank you.